Replacing your front door is a great way to enhance your home's curb appeal, increase security, improve energy efficiency, and make a lasting first impression. For homeowners in Layton, the unique climate, architectural styles, and community preferences make front door replacement an important decision. Here are the key factors you should consider before making the change. Material selection. Choosing the right material for your new front door is crucial, as it affects durability, energy efficiency, security, and maintenance. Here are the most common options available. Wood offers classic beauty, natural warmth, and a luxurious look. While wood doors can be easily customized and are aesthetically pleasing, they may require more maintenance to withstand Layton's changing weather conditions. Fiberglass, known for its durability, resistance to denting, and low maintenance needs. Fiberglass doors can mimic the look of wood, making them an excellent choice for Layton homeowners who want beauty with fewer maintenance worries. Steel provides superior strength and security. Steel doors are cost-effective and weather-resistant, but they can be prone to dents and may require periodic touch-ups to prevent rust. Each material has its benefits and downsides, so consider your home's design, budget, and maintenance capacity before deciding. Energy efficiency. In Layton, where temperatures vary significantly throughout the year, energy efficiency is a priority. Your front door plays a crucial role in minimizing heat transfer and maintaining indoor comfort. Consider these factors. Insulated cores. Opt for doors with high-quality insulation, often made of polyurethane foam cores, to reduce energy loss. Weather stripping. Properly sealed doors prevent drafts, reducing heating and cooling costs. Energy Star certification. Look for doors that meet Energy Star standards, which ensure that they are designed to perform efficiently in your local climate. Investing in an energy-efficient door not only makes your home more comfortable but also contributes to significant savings on energy bills. Style and design. Your front door reflects your personality and can greatly impact your home's curb appeal. There are numerous design options, including traditional, modern, rustic, and craftsman styles. Consider these elements. Color. Bright colors can make a statement, while muted tones offer timeless elegance. Be mindful of Layton's neighborhood aesthetic and your home's architectural style. Glass panels. Doors with glass inserts add elegance and natural light but may require additional security considerations. Hardware. Select locks, handles, and hinges that match the door style and enhance its appearance. High-quality hardware ensures smooth operation and long-term durability. Security features. Safety is a top priority when choosing a front door. Consider security features that provide peace of mind. High-quality locks. Choose doors with multi-point locking systems or reinforced deadbolts for added protection. Solid construction. Steel or solid core wood doors offer superior resistance to forced entry. Reinforced glass. If your door has glass panels, opt for reinforced or impact-resistant glass. Prioritizing security doesn't mean you have to compromise on aesthetics. Many doors offer both beauty and enhanced safety. Climate resistance. Layton experiences a range of weather conditions, including snow, rain, and high temperatures. Therefore, your new door should be able to withstand the elements. Consider doors with features like weather-resistant finishes, protective coatings or paints that minimize fading and weathering. Waterproof seals. Prevent moisture penetration that can cause rot or swelling. UV protection. Shields against harmful rays that can cause fading and damage over time. Installation quality. Even the best door won't perform as expected if it's poorly installed. Hiring a professional installer ensures proper fitting, maximum security, and optimal energy efficiency. An experienced installer understands Layton's specific building codes and weather-related challenges. Cost and return on investment, ROI. Consider your budget, but remember that a front door replacement is a worthwhile investment. A high-quality front door can increase the value of your home, improve security, and enhance curb appeal. While initial costs may vary based on material, style, and customization, the long-term benefits often justify the expense. Replacing the front door of your Layton home is a significant decision that impacts aesthetics, comfort, security, and energy efficiency. By carefully considering factors such as material, energy performance, design, security, climate resistance, and installation quality, you can select a door that not only elevates your home's appearance but also provides lasting value.